and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks. And on this channel I cover all things related to decorating and maintaining your home and garden. And on today's video, we're going to be talking about 8 ways to create that wow factor in your home. This is going to be so much fun. Let's get started. Wow factor number 1, paint. Now the reason why I'm starting with paint is because it's simple, anyone can do it, and most of us can afford it. There's no harm in having all of the walls in your room look similar, but that doesn't really add the wow factor. Now when I talk about paint, I'm just talking about an accent wall. An accent wall creates a nice visual layer and increases the depth in a room, in your design. So accent walls are really powerful. For example, this mirror and console table is super cute. But if it were on all white walls, it would not have the same presence as it does with the contrasting dark wall. How about adding that contrasting paint to the ceiling? Or you can create patterns with your paint that also gives that unexpected moment that will certainly wow some folks. Wow factor number 2, wallpaper. Peel and stick wallpaper. Now, if you've been watching me, you've heard me talk about peel and stick wallpaper before. And I'm telling you, some of these peel and stick wallpapers create wow factor moments all by themselves. They're cost effective, they're easy to apply. Wow. With this wallpaper, this is a peel and stick wallpaper. You can hang a mural-like image on the wall that's big and bold. Perhaps you place the wallpaper on the ceiling. Better yet, how about on your entry stairs? Here's an accent wall with a high gloss peel and stick wallpaper. And here are others with geometric patterns. All of them creating that wow factor. Wow factor number 3, your front door. Yes, it's nothing like when someone is visiting or when you're visiting someone and you're walking up to their front door and it's a great front door. It might be the materials, the colors, but it's a great front door. You're very excited then to see what's going to happen in the inside. And how do you do this? Have a front door that's something other than the standard, right? The standard builder grade, what's been around forever and a day. The door could be an unusual color. It could be the material, perhaps it's made out of glass. It could be the size, the shape, the function of the door. All of these things, these different things, different than the typical, different than the standard, create a wow moment. Your front door. Okay. Wow factor number 4, the foyer. Front door, foyer, you see how that works? You've already enticed them with a beautiful front door, something interesting, something unusual. And now you want them to step inside and continue the feeling. Like if your space is big enough, you can do this. You can accomplish this with just really comfortable seating, natural light, just creating that warm, welcoming feel. People will be wowed by that. By using stately mirrors above distinctive credenzas or unique accent tables and rugs. Also by using bold flooring on the floor and on the ceiling, you can create that wow moment. The foyer. Wow factor number 5, light fixtures. Now this one is easy even if you're not a designer. Great design starts with great lighting. And we're talking about the way the light fills the space and enhances the different pieces throughout the room. But we're also talking about those light fixtures that have just beautiful shapes and are designed well. When you select a light fixture that ties together the overall design with its colors, its shapes, I mean, it's like magic. Here's what I suggest you do with light fixtures. Think about light fixtures as jewelry to the space, right? You can create a wow factor with oversized light fixtures that have unusual shapes, or they have unique colors. You'll easily create the wow factor using a great light fixture. Wow factor number 6, oversized artwork. The sheer scale of an oversized picture is enough to create a wow factor. The design itself matters, but not as much as the fact that there is a large picture there that just really fills the space. Just remember, whatever you choose, it needs to be big and it needs to be bold. If you're unable to pick up a large canvas or photo, stacking frames together will also give you the same effect. And if the images are meaningful to you, not only will it wow your guests, but it'll wow you too. Wow factor number 7, bookshelves. Now, on almost every Zoom call, there is somebody with some bookshelves behind them. And you're sitting there, and you're looking. I am. You're looking, trying to see what's on the bookshelves, but the idea that the bookshelves are there, oftentimes done really well with great colors and great materials and stacked with really interesting features, really do create the wow moment. And when you get to see it in person, it's even better. How do you create the wow moment with your bookshelves? You can use industrial shelving, standard shelves with brackets all painted out in one color, very economical. A bookcase painted out in all one color, or built-ins customized for the space, also all in one color. I mean, all of these options will lead to someone checking out your bookcase and going, wow, I like that idea. And wow factor number 8, last but not least, the fireplace wall. Now, the fireplace wall is automatically a focal point in a room. Everyone's eye just draws itself right to the fireplace. So what do you want to do? You want to enhance that focal point. You want to make that focal point not just be a fireplace, but you want that fireplace to make people go, wow. And it's easy because it's there. I mean, if you have a fireplace. Now, let me just say that I did not have a fireplace in my living room, but I did create the look of a fireplace in that space. And you can see that in one of my clean and decorate videos, and I'll link that below. But even if you don't start off with a fireplace, you can create a look of a fireplace and then build an entire wow moment around it. You can create a wow factor by covering the fireplace with natural stone or using a stone wood combination, or simply painting out the fireplace in a bold paint color. Remember that contrasting or that paint wow moment earlier in the conversation? You want to make the fireplace that wow factor moment. And that's it. Now, if you have a lot of money, you can make your entire house a wow factor moment. But that's not what this video was about. This video was about creating affordable, reasonable wow moments, still wow moments in your home that you can build on. So perhaps you can't do the entire thing all at one time, but these are steps that you can use, tools that you can use to create those wonderful spaces. And remember, it has to wow you first. So I'm glad you took a moment to watch the video, and I hope these tips helped. And if they do, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the section below, because this will help me grow my channel. And as usual, I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.